No, that's a good game actually. We are on a tie.
I feel like an idiot.
We are tied.
Oh yeah, we're right.
Good sport. Good sport.
Thanks. The one who wins should buy dinner for the one who loses.
Yeah. Okay. That's complicated. We have to do it the otherwise. The one who wins gets.
I don't have cash, so you have to buy me food either way.
Yeah. Then we are up. Guys, this is day 3 and we are at the Mantri Mall Square in the Amoeba section playing the bowling with my buddy Rahul here, and he's a good competitor. So we are going to have a duel between us. What are you going to say about
I
this?
have no idea. I have never played bowling before, so I think I'm going to lose this one, but still.
He's going to defeat me, and let's begin.
Okay, so these are the scores for now. First round, and I'm going to try first.
So let's see what's the result. You just defeated me. Yeah.
Let's go! Damn, you missed. How do you feel?
And
You
at
missed.
the last moment, it's got stuck in my thumb.
Let's try this again.
Yeah, it's the second turn, and we are at
This is so heavy.
13-7. If you get 6 points, then we'll tie, or else if you get 7, you'll win this round. And it's a split. How do you feel?
Seriously, I have never played this before. I think this is easy.
And he defeated me in the second one too.
Damn!
Damn. Damn.
I don't know how I did that.
It's like a miracle that happened during the Christmas. And I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I know you're jealous, but still.
Obviously I'm jealous.
Alright. One more left.
I'll have my chance. Okay, just the one.
Let's see you do it. Oh, yeah! I should not be happy.
And it's a spare.
I hope you can see it. I'm not getting cameras and stuff. So what is it?
And it's your turn now. Spare means I'll get extra points.
Sorry, you had to listen to that. I don't know the rules.
Yeah. But he's doing really good. I'm shocked. You are like beating me in my own game. How do you feel beating me in my own game?
I don't know, it's gonna fun. I'm gonna start doing this a lot now.
Yeah, and we are going to play for 7 more rounds now. Damn, and it's gone. But
I'm seeing a lead, right?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
It's distant now, so let me hold the camera for him. Let's see you beat me today. What?
just one in the middle. Just one in the middle.
Dancing in the dark. You busy. Oh yeah! Yes!
Oh, it just went this way.
Fingers hurts like shit.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like it's starting to swell now. This
Take the camera.
no, that's a good game actually. We are on a tie.
I feel like an idiot.
We are tied.
Oh yeah, we're done.
Good sport. Good sport.
Thanks. I hope I'm not looking like a monkey in this video, you know. Lots of girls are going to be watching this, so that's not the true me, alright? I'm really handsome in life.
That's not a point of view you wanna do here.
If you wanna date me, I'm free. I'm single.
That's a good approach actually.
Oh yeah, there's 3 more left. What do you say about that?
I'm going to try. No, it's 4 actually.
Oh yeah, 4.
I'm going to try.
I seriously don't get the logics of this game, but it's fun.
I'm seriously going to get this one. I hope so. No.
Oh yeah.
Don't.
Hold this. It's my turn now.
Huh?
It's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn. And
Stupid shoe. It's embarrassing.
that's fine, but I think you are going to do a spare in this one.
There goes my only chance to win. He's in the lead. Shit.
Yeah, and if I threw you 2 more gutters, then you will win the lead. So it's like a last moment match. No one can really estimate what's going on till the end.
I'm really bad with cameras, so I hope this video comes out good. 1 left.
That one thing missed me from complete strike. And
We have a winner.
no, we don't.
Oh. Nope. Yeah.
And I think I'll lose my hope over this thing now. And the score stand thus. Nice one. You got 8 points. It's really great.
I don't think if that's great. But I know how to play this now, so I'll beat you the next time. I'll let you win. I'll let you win this time. I'll let you win this time. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna win this one.
Yeah, you sure do. Oh my god. Oh.
Two more left.
Oh. You just stopped my. You just froze my heartbeat for a second there.
I will catch up with you. I get real competitive when it comes to goal.
So you are like Monica of Friends.
Yeah. But I hate sports, but I love this one. So, what do we get if we win?
Nothing. It's just for fun.
Ah, I was really expecting a prize or something.
A prize. One of us is going to be a winner and one of us is going to be a loser.
Okay, the one who wins should buy dinner for the one who loses.
Yeah. Okay. That's complicated. We have to do it the other wise. The one who wins gets.
I don't have cash, so you have to buy me food either way.
Yeah. Then we are up.
He doesn't have any words. Wait a minute. No. Yeah. That's not a spade. That's called a spade, right?
No. It's a miss.
Don't mind me. I'm just a loser.
No, you're just a beginner. There's a difference. Yeah. There is a difference between beginner and a loser. And the type of beginner you are definitely going to win this one.
Let's do this.
I think I can do this.
I seriously don't think I can win this one. Let me show you the scores. Look at this. He's at 78, I'm at 70.
I get another chance. Oh, this is the last round, so if you get a spade, then you'll get another chance. So, this is the last round we are going to play. This round is going to decide who wins, who loses, and I'm going to miss this game.
Hey, isn't this my turn now?
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
We get 3 chances if we get a square in the last round.
Oh, okay.
Nice. And it's a 5. So this is the last round.
I seriously think I can win this, but let's try.
How do you feel? You get another chance? No. Oh, it's gone.
Really good, actually.
Yeah, you actually really. To be honest, for the first time, you were like a master there. You just took my breath out. In the first 4 rounds, I was like, okay, I'm not going to win this one, and then you were like, man, I'm going to kill it.
What do you think will happen if advanced player plays against the beginner?
Obviously, the result will be something special, but
But I'm proud I scored 70.
yeah, it was like best thing. For the first time, I
Yes, literally a guy saying that is what they are vlogging, and it's really embarrassing because I'm not used to this kind of stuff. I don't know what.
but it's fine because
It's creepy, not fine. It's creepy. I love it.
Hey, this is VSBhat. If you like our travel videos, please click subscribe and join us as we have planned to visit many more places around India and around the world too. Thank you.